Okay guys, here we go, the last mystery box unboxing. This one is BPERFECT Cosmetics. I really like BPERFECT, I'm sure you guys know that. I think they're a really good brand. This one cost $115 and it's valued at $238, so let's get into it. Alright, this one is quite a big one. So first thing we have here is a Colour Rich High Shine Gloss. This is the one that came out with the Stacey Marie collection, the Tahiti, what's it called? You know the palette. And this one is in the shade Sweet Spot. So it's called the Double Glazed Lip Gloss. Let's have a look. Ooh, this is very cute. That is a very, very cute shade. I really like that. I don't know, I think this one will be one that I give away because double glazed to me sounds sticky and I don't like a sticky lip gloss, so we'll see. Once again, I can't swatch it because I'm like, if I do, then, you know. Anyway, next we have the Velvet Supreme Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Shook. Now this sounds like something that I would like. Supreme Velvet. Okay. It says it's a super long-lasting wear, non-drying, lightweight, life-proof formula, opaque colour, matte finish. Oh yeah, that is absolutely stunning. What a beautiful shade. We'll give this one a swatch because I'm definitely keeping her. Okay, it actually looks a bit different on the hand to in the tube. Oh, actually no, never mind, it doesn't. So it's very cute. I do really like that. So yeah, this one's in the shade Shook. This packaging though, guys, like this is beautiful. I've never seen BPERFECT's like matte liquid lipsticks before. This is just really pretty. Like I just love the whole like vibe of it. Like what the hell, that's so pretty. Why has no one ever talked about that? But yeah, I'm really excited. That one seems gorgeous. Ooh, we have some lashes in here. These are from the Universal Lash Collection and they're called Queen. These look very pretty. So this is the packaging here, super gorgeous. Let's open them up. It says they're Luxe Silk Lashes, and these look very pretty. I think I'll definitely give these a try. They feel really pretty, but yeah, super beautiful. They're like kind of like, they look like they're double stacked. Like they've got lashes that are like coming up and then lashes that are kind of like going down more. You guys know what I mean. But yeah, look at these. Very pretty. They've got like a layered effect. I really like that. Next we have the Hydro Glow Tanning Facial Mist and it's baby powder scented, which is cool. So it's hydrating, lightweight, natural looking tan. Hydro Glow is a lightweight facial tanning mist packed full of nutrient-rich ingredients including antioxidants and plant extracts. Hydro Glow will leave your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated while giving you a golden glow that lasts for days. So it's ensure the skin is clean before application. Apply Hydro Glow apply Hydro Glow approximately 15 centimeters away. Spray evenly over face. Reapply if darker tan is required. Allow to dry to develop evenly. Guys, these kind of things scare me, but I kind of want to try it. What do you think? Should I try it in a video or should I put it in a giveaway? Please let me know down below because I'm very conflicted. Next we have the My Best Blend Killer Snatch and Sculpt Super Soft Technology. So this is obviously like a beauty blender. Once again, the packaging, super pretty. I reckon I'll keep this one because I feel like brushes, you can just never have enough beauty blenders. Okay. Oh, that is very, very soft. Okay, I really like this. Oh, it's got like two like super like flat edges. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, like I feel like that'll be so good for doing foundation. And then they obviously have like the bouncy edge, but this guys is like so soft. And I feel like once you wet it, it'll be like even better. So yeah, I'm keeping that one. Okay, and the next stuff is really exciting because I have all of these products, which means that these will be in a giveaway. Hang on. Because I've got two of these. I don't know if I have this shade. Okay, I don't have this shade, so I'm going to open it, see what it looks like. It's called Soft Silk. It says it's a golden sun-kissed glow. Just want to open it. This is the Get Wet highlighter. This is also part of like the Tahiti collection. Is that what it's called? Oh, okay, hang on. I've made a mistake. I don't have these products. Let's have a look at this. So yeah, this is the Soft Silk Get Wet Highlighter. Oh wow, that is beautiful. That is so gorgeous. That'll be too dark for me, but that is absolutely stunning. So that one will go in a giveaway because yeah, like I said, it'll be too dark for me, but absolutely beautiful. Damn, I wish I could wear that. This is the BPERFECT Cosmetics Reflect Perfect Handheld Mirror. I thought it was the palette, so I'm silly. I don't have this. Let's have a look at it. Oh, it's so cute, guys. It is really cute. It's very nice and like big. I feel like I can't get it out of the... I don't want to take it out of the bubble wrap because I won't be able to get it back in, but like it's got like the cute little design, and it's actually a huge mirror. It's like really good like a really good size. You can see your whole face in it. It's not like heavy, like so you're gonna hurt your like your arm's gonna ache while you're doing your makeup. Like it's really like nice and light. That is a really good mirror. I really like that. It's very, very cute. I think that one might go in a giveaway. I don't know yet. We'll see. Okay, and then I think yes, I have this one. So this is the Carnival XL Pro palette. Let's open it up and show you. I'm sure you guys have seen this a million times. Oh, it's in plastic actually. Let me just show you mine. Yeah, get the Carnival XL Pro palette, which will be going into a giveaway because I already have. So this is it here. Mine is filthy, but this is the palette. It's so gorgeous. Such an amazing palette. Such good quality. Like, I use this all the time. Well, when I was doing my makeup, I did. So yeah, that is everything in the BPERFECT one. I feel like that, once again, is like a really nice variety of products. You get a palette, you get a mirror, highlighter, you get a 2 lip products, lashes, beauty blender, and a facial mist. I think that is, once again, really good value. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!